In this video, you'll learn how to ensure your emails reach the inbox using Mailchimp. This process involves several important steps that enhance email deliverability and effectiveness. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access your account. Next, locate the option labeled Audience on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on Audience to proceed. This section contains all the contacts you will be engaging with through your email campaigns. After accessing the Audience section, find and click on the Inbox option. This feature allows you to manage incoming messages and interactions from your subscribers. You should now see a screen display in your inbox where you can view messages and feedback from your audience. To improve the chances of your emails landing in the inbox rather than the spam folder, consider verifying your domain through Mailchimp. This action adds credibility to your navigate to the settings tab within your account, then select domains. Here you can follow the steps to verify your sending domain. Additionally, pay attention to your email content. Avoid spammy phrases and excessive use of images, as these can trigger spam filters. Maintain a good text to image ratio and ensure that your subject lines are clear and relevant. Finally, regularly monitor your email performance metrics. Check open rates and click-through rates to evaluate the effectiveness of your campaigns. Adjust your strategies based on this data to enhance your future email deliverability. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.